Good day, classmates. Good day, Dr. Mel. My name is Philip Andre Miranda, and today I am going to discuss about teachers' role in ICT integration. So this topic is to foster the transformative learning experiences. So here are my seven objectives for today's discussion. The first one is that we should be able to explain the evolving role of teachers in ICT integration. So, this objective is to describe how the role of teachers has been shifted from knowledge providers to facilitators in digital age. The second one is to identify the key responsibilities of teachers in ICT integration. So, this objective is to outline the critical responsibilities of teachers, such as knowledge management, fostering digital literacy, and creating student centered learning environments. The third one is to examine the transformative impact of ICT on learning. So this objective is to explore how ICT tools can transform from traditional learning methods into dynamic, interactive, and student-centered approaches. The next one is to present the strategies for effective teachers' involvement in ICT planning and application. So this objective is to discuss the practical strategies such as setting learning outcomes, selecting appropriate tools, and providing continuous feedback to enhance the ICT integration. The next one is to highlight the importance of institutional support and professional development. So this objective is to emphasize the need for institutional training resources and support and enable the teachers to effectively integrate the ICT in their teaching. The next objective is to encourage the critical reflection on ICT integration practices. So this objective is to foster awareness of capabilities and limitations of ICT tools, guiding the teachers in making informed decisions for their application. The last one is to promote collaboration and innovation in ICT enhanced learning. So this objective is to encourage the adaptation of collaborative tools and innovative practices that empower the students and enhance their learning experiences. So in the modern digital age, the role of the technology in education has been expanded dramatically, shifting from support tool to the key driver in creating engaging, transformative learning experiences. Teachers today are the forefront of this integration, holding critical responsibilities in planning, applying, and assessing the transformation and communication technology to enhance the student learning. So, this report explores the teacher's role in ICT integration, emphasizing transformative learning, and draws on Bates' 2015 framework for guiding strategic teacher involvement in ICT planning and application. So let us now discuss the teacher's responsibility in ICT integration as the demand of education evolved. So that's the role of the teacher in using ICT. Teachers are no longer merely providers of knowledge. They are facilitators, guiding students in building the skills needed for a digital society. According to Bates 2015, identifies several key responsibilities for teachers in ICT integration, including knowledge management, digital literacy, and fostering a student centered learning environment. Teachers are responsible for ensuring the students not only access information but also develop the critical skills in evaluating and applying this information effectively, according to Anderson 2008. Moreover, teachers must be understand the capabilities and limitation of various ICT tools to tailor their use appropriately. So this involves assessing each tool's effectiveness in promoting collaborative and critical thinking and problem solving skills, which are essential for students' lifelong learning adaptability in rapidly changing world, according to Betham 2008. So, transformative impact of ICT on the learning. So, ICT has the potential to transform traditional learning into more dynamic, interactive process in contrast to the traditional model that rely on direct instruction. Transformative learning leverages ICT to make students active participants, as highlighted in Effective Practice in Digital Age, GISC 2009. ICT tools enable diverse student-centered learning environments that facilitate exploration, collaboration, and real-world application. In transformative learning environments, technology helps students develop higher order thinking skills such as critical analysis, creativity, and adaptability. Teachers play a crucial role in selecting and using the ICT to enable these skills, moving beyond content delivery to fostering environment where students engage in actively in constructing the knowledge. For example, using discussion forums, virtual labs, and collaborative projects can stimulate students' curiosity, encourage them to take ownership of their learning, and build a digital literacy, according to Anderson 2008. So, strategies for teacher involvement in ICT planning and application. So, to effectively integrate ICT for transformative learning, teachers can implement several strategic approaches based on Bates 2015. The first one is setting clear learning outcomes. So, teachers should set clear skill-based learning outcomes to guide ICT use, focusing on skills like critical thinking, collaboration, and self-directed learning. Establishing these outcomes help align the ICT activities with specific learning goals, making the technology an integral part of the instructional process rather than add-on. The second one is the selecting the appropriate ICT tools. Teachers should critically evaluate the strength and weakness of ICT tools in relation to their learning objectives. According to Bates 2015, underscores the importance of understanding the pedagogical affordances of each tools. Tools like interactive simulation, multimedia presentation, and collaborative platform are beneficial for constructing a rich, varied learning environment, according to Betham 2008, JISC 2009. So the third one is encouraging learner-centered pedagogy. Teachers can shift from a teacher-centered approach to a learner-centered model by using ICT to empower students in their learning journeys. This involves fostering collaborative learning environments where students actively participate in discussions, peer reviews, and project-based activities. Learning management system or LMS and digital portfolios, for example, allow the students to track their progress, reflect on their learning, and engage more deeply with the material. So the fourth one is providing continuous feedback and assessment. So effective ICT integration includes formative assessment practices that offer timely feedback and help students self-assess their progress. Teachers can utilize digital quizzes, peer assessment tools, and feedback software to create feedback loop that informs the students of their strengths and areas for improvement, aligning with Bates emphasizes on assessment of learning 2009. Institutional support and professional development. For teachers to successfully fulfill these rules, institutional support and ongoing professional development are essential. According to Teaching in a Digital Age, Bates 2015, institutions should provide training that helps the teacher understand the digital pedagogies, assess ICT tools, and adapt them to diverse learning environment. Additionally, access to learning technology support within institutions enables teachers to experiment with new approaches and refine their strategies over time. Support from institutions is crucial not only for teachers but for professionals' growth. Also for addressing the infrastructure needed for effective ICT integration, such as ensuring that class sizes and employment conditions to facilitate the adaptation or adoption of student learning centered technology enhanced teaching methods. The transformative potential of ICT in education depends heavily on the teacher's ability to integrate technology in ways that promote active, student centered learning, Teachers play a pivotal role in selecting appropriate tools, setting clear learning objectives, fostering collaboration, and providing feedback with the right strategies and institutional support. Teachers can drive a shift from traditional to transformative learning, equipping students with the digital skills to are necessary to thrive in a complex technology-rich world. So, in sum, the teacher's role in ICT integration is essential to realizing the promise of a transformative learning environment. By combining thoughtful planning, strategic application, and continuous feedback, teachers can cultivate a classroom. So here, the technology not only enhances the learning but fundamentally changes how the student engage and the grow. So here are the references I have used for this report. And for the discussion topic, so here is the discussion topic one. The first question is, how can teachers enhance student engagement through ICT? So the second discussion topic is balancing technology with traditional teaching. What's the right mix? Balancing technology with traditional teaching. What's the right mix? Thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much, and God bless. Bye bye.